What will it take to build a new economy? Job creation is an obvious step towards getting America back on its feet.
Our goal must be to develop the best technology and industries that'll convert our economy into a greener future fueled by good jobs right here in America.
But creating new jobs requires new solutions. At a conference in Washington, D.C., the Alliance for American Manufacturing teamed up with the Institute for America's Future to host a discussion about building the new economy.
The message we're trying to deliver, first and foremost, is that it matters where things are made and that we need to have a manufacturing strategy. That's what unites us.
There is an economic strategy that can work for America. It's grounded on rebuilding manufacturing and on investing in public investment in areas vital to our future, and that it's a political battle, and that it's a battle we can win, it's a battle we must win.
In the past, America has built a strong economy through infrastructure investment, which will also serve to pave the way for the American economy in the future.
The chapters of the success story of this country have been written in stone and in mortar and iron and in steel and in granite and in fiber optics. With that in mind, I think we need to take a page from earlier presidents like Lincoln, Franklin Roosevelt. In times of crisis, they made considerable public investments in our national infrastructure. That brought about long-term prosperity.
Two essential building blocks that are new to the American economy are clean energy manufacturing and green jobs.
When we start making wind turbines and a new steel plate shop expands and we have 300 jobs, those are green jobs. Those are 300 folks making plate, steel plate, in an energy-efficient steel mill that uses 1/3 less carbon, 1/3 less energy than it would if it was coming from China and being shipped overseas.
If the time comes that this country doesn't make anything, we're finished. We're done. So we've got to dig our heels in and remain a strong manufacturing economy. And the green economy is going to give us that chance.
Research and development as well as education initiatives will also be crucial materials in the construction of a new economy.
We've got to do way better at training our workforce. We've got to do way better at taking inventions that Americans are so great at and turning them into manufacturing in this country, not somewhere else. And it's really our way to rebuild the middle class.
Not everybody's going to be a stockbroker, but we don't want everybody to think they're going to end up being a hamburger flipper either. So that one of the things we need to do is to invest in vocational education. We need to make sure that people understand that manufacturing is not the Rust Belt.
And though the current economic situation may seem bleak, there is still hope for a new economy.
Now, the one good thing about the economic collapse is that it lets us, quite frankly, it requires us to think big.
Some of the most exciting things about building the new economy are the green jobs and the prospect of investing in green technology, because it's money that we're going to have to be spending anyway, and it would be wonderful if that money could be channeled back into the economy to create well-paid, sustainable jobs that are also good for the environment.
We will never have a better chance to do fundamental change than now.
With these unique yet critical building blocks, America can work towards restoring a middle class and establishing an unshakable economic foundation.
We've concentrated on making steel in the United States because we can do it cost competitively. There's a good market here. We just want to have a chance to keep on doing it.
We're making the case that business, labor, and government working together can regrow the manufacturing base.